Man, Drako be trying to run the show, man. He don't be wanting to have no competition. Drako is crazy. Drako will pull up on anybody. He got that thing in the side of his mouth. He don't care if you a pit bull, bulldog, bully, whatever you is. He will get crazy over that look. Watch him now. And see, Ghost over there. Ghost always want to play. Ghost very playful. He just want to play all day long. That's all Ghost want to do. And so does Champ. What up, Champ? I know. You know what I mean? So yeah, we in the business, man. Definitely in the business. What up, Ghost? Y'all see Drako over there? Drako crazy.